Hello and welcome to my next video. The camera you're looking at is a Canon EOS 1D Mark II, and I'm going to be doing a review in the view of it being a second-hand camera that somebody can buy. I'm going to be doing 7 videos. There are vintage cameras mainly. The first one I'm going to be doing is this. This is a EOS 1D Mark II. It's very old. I'm not sure exactly. I'm guessing it's about the year 2000. It was put on the market in the UK. So I'll check and see if that's true, and I'll put a note on the video as we go along. Good things and bad things about this. This is on my experience so far with it. I bought this second hand a while ago. Biggest issue with it I have is that the screen on the back is extremely small. Put the thing on, I don't know if you can see it, but it's a very, very small screen, which is a bit of a pain at times. But I think it still takes good photos, even for a camera in this age. It's also very heavy, and the batteries are pretty big, to say the least. Right, there she is. That's the 1D Mark II, ready to take some test shots. This one, I can't show you the settings because the settings you cannot see on the LED screen at the back, because the machine is a bit on the antique side, but I can see them through the eyepiece. I've tried putting the camera up to it, but you can't see nothing. So what I'll have to do is tell you. So here goes. Right, I'm taking a picture of the statue, and we're looking at 200th of a second, f7.1. I'll take the shot and then I'll put it up if it's any good. And then you can make your own mind up as to if this camera is still usable. There you go. The LED looks a little bit washed out. It doesn't actually look too bad looking through this phone camera, I must admit. But when you look at it in the true light, it does look a little bit washed out. But then, as I just said, for what you get for your money, it's a bit of a beast of a machine, I must admit. It comes with also 2 card slots. There you go, there's an SD card there, which is that one. Push that back in, and then you got the old type SanDisk, I believe it is, but it all works. Both slots work fine. Well, I can get them back. There you go. EF24105 1.4 L series image stabilizer USM, and that will be used on each review. Another thing this camera does, it only seems to show one AF point for some reason. It's got loads on it, and I haven't worked out how, still after all these years, how to activate all of them. I just don't know. But anyway, I'm going to continue using it the way I've always done, and I will put a few more pictures up for you for the end of this particular review. Again, on the viewfinder, when you're looking through, once you've taken the shot, it looks washed out. I think a lot of that is down to the quality of the viewfinder, the LED in it. It's not as good as present day ones. But saying that, I think for what you'll probably pay for a camera like this, it's probably still worth the money, because you've got a lot of camera. You really do. I know it's old, but it was, remembering it was actually, at its day, it was the flagship for Canon. Remember, if you have any comments or questions regarding the 1D Mark II, then please feel free to leave them below, and I will get back to you to the best of my knowledge. And if you have any ideas regarding the autofocus, then again, and if you've got any experience of that camera, then please let me know below. Thank you. Hi, that was the first of 7 videos reviewing old cameras. That was EOS 1D Mark II. I hope you enjoyed that video. It might have been some use to you. I hope it was. And I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks very much for watching.